Alex Likes Noise, written by Anne Harth. Alex lived in the city. He loved the city sounds. Horns beeped and buses roared. Doors slammed and tires squealed. People talked and children laughed. "We're moving to the farm," Dad said. Alex was sad. "I will miss the city. The country will be too quiet." Alex and Dad drove to the country. Alex stood outside. He listened. Frogs croaked and birds tweeted. Horses whinnied and cows mooed. Chickens clucked and ducks quacked. Alex smiled. The country isn't quiet at all. Hope you liked the story, Noah. I miss reading with you. Hope that you're having a good time learning from home. Hopefully, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.